So Milo, can you tell me a little bit about your approach to the building and why you decided to use the Brink FLAIR ERVs on it?
So on a spec build or a development project like this, I think a lot of builders are very concerned about first cost. I know I am, it's a consideration, but a big priority for us on this project and every project we do is making sure that we're installing equipment that is serviceable for the long term, is durable and really efficient. We want the best performance that we can get, and that's really what made us decide to make sure we held the budget to keep the Brink ERVs on this project. This project is going to reap the benefits of that long-term serviceability, easy maintenance, and really reliable performance.
The Brink FLAIR ERVs, it was important for us to bring them to the market as a quality unit, but at a great value. The full kitted system allows us also to make them more approachable so that they can be put into projects that need them. We hope that more people will adopt ERVs on their project, giving better indoor air quality, especially to affordable projects like this one.